What's going on, y'all? It's your boy George back with another video today. Today we are taking a look at the JJJJound Vans Skate Mid, and we're going to take a closer look at these, talk about sizing. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and take a closer look at these JJJJound Vans Skate Mids. So these released last month in August. There was a total of 3 colorways for this shoe. There was a black pair, the olive pair, and the brown pair. This right here, we got the olive green pair, size 10.5. I want to give a shout out to Jamar. Thank you for letting me borrow these pair to review. I appreciate you. But yeah, guys, let's go ahead and take a closer look at these. So the box is nothing crazy, just a regular white JJJJound logo on the side, Vans Volt logo at the top. At the bottom, you got your sizing chart. Here's your style code if you need it. Inside, these are nice. Wow. I've never worn or gotten a pair of Vans that were mids, but these look kind of nice. One thing I will suggest with the sizing, guys, because I did try these on earlier, I'd say maybe half size down, because they do fit bigger than my regular old schools that I actually wear, and I have plenty of those. So if I were to get a pair of these, they'd definitely be a size half down. So I would have got a size 10 instead of the 10.5. But these are just for the review. So as we take a closer look at these, you got just a white sole right here. At the bottom, you don't have the gum like your traditional Vans. It's all white. Right here at the back, you got the off the wall logo. You got a nice little tiny JJJJound logo right here at the back in the heel area. So that's a nice touch. I didn't really notice that at first. You got like a brownish canvas material right here. You got this nice green suede on the tongue and on the toe box going up, all the way up. You got a white leather check right here, and inside the actual inside of the shoe is black leather inside on both. It does come with extra laces, cream laces that you can throw on these, which I'm sure will look nice on these. But yeah, guys, what did you guys think of the shoe? I know it's a pretty simple shoe, nothing too crazy. Resale prices aren't that insane on these. You can probably get them probably $10 over retail, which I think retail for these were like $150. So you can probably get a pair for like $160, $170 around there. But yeah, I think this colorway, or maybe the brown, was my favorite out of all of them. I'm not a fan of mids, so I don't know if I'll go ahead and pick up a pair of these, but I did want to compare it to one other shoe that kind of reminded me of it, these are pretty big, guys, so I'm sorry, but I do wear these a lot. This is the Double Taps Vans Old School Vans Volt collaboration. It's somewhat same color blocking. This one's a little more browner and they're very beat up, but it kind of reminds me of them a little bit. But I love this shoe, and Vans Old Schools are just like my favorite beater shoe. I will wear them with anything. I'll wear them all the time. I love these shoes. I'm a sucker for old schools. Alright, guys, that's it for this video. So I appreciate you guys for watching. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and give this video a like. It always helps out the channel, and I appreciate you guys' support, especially in these past couple videos. They've gotten more views than I expected. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time.